Since I've retired, I've had Centurion Arms. I actually started Centurion Arms before I got out of the military, so it was easy for me to have something to transition into, which I think was a big benefit for getting out. I started parts and accessories based on some of my ideas. I worked a lot of the weapons development stuff for SOCOM and NSW, and I just naturally kind of had a passion and affinity for weapons, so I kind of utilized that for my next life, if you will, to kind of step out. And so, like one of the things now is since I got out, I did absolutely no, manufacturing. Everything was outsourced. I've gotten to the point now where I run this stuff in-house on my own CNC machines. I got my own uppers, lowers, complex parts. So in about 2 years, I've been able to progress from outsourced to bringing my stuff in-house.
And for the layman, these are parts for what?
These are basically for AR-15 type guns. So this is kind of our initial start at our own platform. And then we're gonna, do 7.62 as well, and we're gonna parlay these into doing like basically precision and sniper type weapons as well.
Yeah, Clint, what we got is several Kydex products. We got an inside and outside the waistband holster for the Glock 19 series of pistols along with 17 series. What we've done is we use aircraft grade Kydex, not regrind, aircraft grade hardware. I have RMR cut out on both holsters as well as a threaded barrel provision for compensators or suppressor. We have adjustable cant and adjustable retention. Here's the outside the waistband. And here's the inside the waistband. Products are in use right now with US SOCOM, USASOC, FBI HRT, and SEAL teams.
So Shadow Systems is a manufacturer of custom Glock parts and now complete pistols as well. We're focused on the Glock 19 and Glock 17, and our whole model is to make the price point of a custom Glock a lot more affordable. There's a lot of former military, there's a lot of former police officers in our organization, and we try to make a gun that's going to always work and always run, but also get those great features that people have really started to expect from the high-end Glocks.
All right, so here at Ronin Tactics, we leverage our former experience in special operations. We hire within the ranks of special operations veterans. We take the hard lessons learned in the times of war and we apply it to the modern world. The situation in today's society is becoming more complex. So those complex situations deserve a different mindset. And these mindsets that I kind of draw from the past experience is what allowed us to survive. So at Ronin Tactics, we leverage the experience. We provide training to local law enforcement agency, civilian-based law-abiding citizens. Along with that, we take our knowledge and we develop and push our new product lines and developing new gear and putting those type of gear onto the battlefield.
So the majority of what we do at American Tactical Shooting Instruction is teach good Americans how to protect themselves and their families better. What does that mean? So for one, a lot of times guys, especially guys that are gun guys, think that if lethal force is appropriate, going to guns is always the right answer. But if we're within a certain distance and you think going to guns is the right answer, and I think checking your gun hand and smashing you in the face with my elbow a bunch of times is the right answer, it's probably going to work out better for me. So a huge part of what I try and do is change that paradigm. Get guys thinking outside of, well, I'm a gun guy, so I'll always go to guns, to thinking, well, I have all sorts of tools right here, right here, right here. All sorts of tools on me at all times. Use whatever is situationally appropriate. Our company's mission statement is to teach, responsible Americans how to protect themselves and their families and their loved ones better, and to be an asset to their communities.